if you could make rugged only more sexier, I think only Mr. Khan can do it. I think you make rugged very, very sexy. What's the story behind that picture? You have to tell us.
I think you have to ask Dabu. Normally these pictures are done in like about 30 seconds, and I'm not as good as he makes me look, so it's only because of him.
A lot of actors who've been asking have been saying that's a really hot picture, including Sunny, who couldn't stop for quite some time talking about how hot you look.
Sunny's just being kind because she's done a film with me, and she's gracious. Not as hot as she's looking, but yeah. But thank you, Sunny, and thank you everyone who thinks I'm looking nice. I feel shy when people say this.
Who do you think is the most photogenic person in Bollywood?
Photogenic means they look very plain normally, and then they look really nice in pictures. So I'm that photogenic person. I think I'm very plain looking, but in pictures, Dabu makes me look nice.
Okay.
All these people here are really good looking people in real life too.
We are very excited after you saw the Bigg Boss promo with you and Salman. It's going to be exciting and a lot of fun.
Yeah, I hope so. I think we shoot it in a few days, and I've been there once. It's a little far off, but yeah, it's always fun when working with Salman and Bigg Boss. So I hope I can take some of the co-members, the cast members there. But it'll be nice. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be good.
I think it's a beautiful message that you've given for the women. I would like to also stand up and say that, I read your interview where you mentioned about how it really bothers you when you read comments about women, when people have been commenting about your daughter when you tweeted to Sunny. Tell us, and thank you for standing up. I would like to say that to you.
I don't think there's any standing up. I think it's just basic decency. I think not for any other reason, just at a very human level, we should all be dignified and decent with each other, men and women alike. I was brought up in an atmosphere where I've been brought up by women mostly because my father died early and stuff, my sister, and I've been surrounded by ladies all my life. I think it's just basic dignity. Just to respect them as human beings, not even try and say they're unequal or equality, XYZ. I think it's just, you need to be dignified and decent. I think that's the prime most thing I always believe in. When it comes to women, if you're in a crowd, you look after them. If they're getting into a car, you open the door. It's just basic, simple, and I'm not saying you to be Sir Walter Raleigh. I'm just telling you to be basically dignified and decent to every lady from 2 years old to 80 years old. Just be kind and nice to them.